guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Curls Dynasty package. More recently, I was contacted by Curls Dynasty to be a brand ambassador for them. So my discount code and all that is down below and on the screen. But I was contacted by them to be a brand ambassador. I had to buy my own products, which was not my favorite thing, but it's okay. But I actually used the products that I'm about to show you for this wash and go. So stay tuned for my next video. I want to show you exactly how I achieved this wash and go. But yeah, I used the products for this wash and go. So yeah, I'm about to show you what I got. It came in this, you know, priority mailbox, and it wasn't like cutely packaged, you know. Some people use little papers and ruffles and stuff. It was just 2 brown papers, just like this, and at the bottom of the box is my order. I ordered the curl popper bundle, as you saw in the title, and it was $47. I had a discount code, and with shipping and tax and all that, it was still $47, but that's good though. At least I got a slight discount, and y'all will have a discount as well if you use my discount code. But I'm just going to show you what all came in it. This is going to be a very quick video. So the first product by Curls Dynasty that I received in this curl popper bundle was the Kalahari Smoothie leave-in. It is so beautifully packaged. See that? So beautiful. The products, I'm gonna have like a review when I do my wash and go, I think, or when I, you know, film it. But it smells so good. All of these products smell literally delicious. So that's that. The second product, and it's only 3 products by the way, but the second product that I got was this vanilla cream custard, and again, beautifully packaged. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw these products, but yeah. And then that's how it looks. It smells like the other one. It smells so good. It smells like the smoothie leave-in. Smells good. I really enjoy the way it smells, y'all. And then lastly, I have this Twisted Definition Twisting Cream. And again, beautifully packaged. That's the one thing I can definitely say about their product, is that it's beautifully packaged. And that's what it looks like. But yeah, y'all, it was just 3 products in this bundle. I've had it for a while, but I'm just now filming this. I wanted my hair and makeup to be done, and I just so happened to use this for my, you know, wash and go. Y'all want to see exactly what I use, but yeah, that's how it looks. And yeah, 3 products. It was $47, but you got to remember it's a smaller black owned business, and their products do typically tend to be a little bit more expensive. So it's honestly okay with me. Yeah, but make sure y'all use my freaking code so I can get reimbursed for them $47. Like, y'all, I ain't got it like that. That's not how my life is cut. So, you know, reimburse me by using my code and supporting your girl. But yeah, that was a super quick video. I just wanted to get straight to the point, show you what I got, and just tell y'all to stay tuned for this wash and go. It should be my next video. As you see, my hair look good, but I give you all the beats and whatnot in that video. So like I just said, stay tuned. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever tried Curls Dynasty, if you've ever seen them around. They're sold at Walmart, Kroger, and Target, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, comment down below if you've ever seen it or whatever. If you're interested, comment down below if you're gonna use my discount code. I would love to see that. So just, you know, comment whatever down below. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. The goal is 400 subscribers by March, and we're getting pretty darn close. So, you know, subscribe, help me make that goal happen, and I want to see you in my next video. Bye.